What's up, guys? Jake here with Cody Manufacturing. We're going to talk today about how to build the end of your product line. So on our machine, whenever we're going through our initialization phase, we're going to have reference to valves 3 and 4 on the actual machine. So valve 3 is going to be this dump valve here. This is to allow our product to get up here and purge out. Valve 4 is our product inlet at the tank. The reason we go with valves 3 and 4 is because the other end of our product line, another reason for calling this one valve 3 is so we don't get it confused with our dump valve on because at the end of our product line, we're going to be building a block and bleed. So valve 1 is going to be attached to the tank. This is going to be our product inlet, allowing product to head to the filler. Valve 2 is going to be our CO2 inlet to be able to purge the system with CO2 all the way through to the fill heads through our product line. And then we got a sight glass here before our product line. That way, when we first open the tank, let's say some of you boys out there running those triple dry hopped, crazy New England IPAs with a whole bunch of particulate, we can compare our sight glass at the tank to the sight glass here. If I have clear beer here and everything's looking good, but I still got some sediment here, obviously I got to purge some more.